Hey, Colby here with M&P Yacht Center. Come check out this preview of the 2025 Boston Whaler 365. This is the first Pilothouse ever sold, and it's the first one to resale, especially here in the Pacific Northwest. So one of the cool things about this boat is that we've got it set up for fishing. So we've got the twin V12 600 horsepower engines. They have about 220 hours on them. And when you're fishing, we've got the 25 horsepower Pro Kicker. It's on a hydraulic jacking plate, so it drops into the water. We've also got hydraulic steering and a dedicated shifter to it as well. You can see we've got the Horizon blue hull on the boat, as well as the brown Ultradeck. So if you drop your downrigger balls or your fish hooks or anything like that, you do protect the anti-skid on the boat. We've got a fold-out seat here. It's articulated, so you got a nice back support. We've got a fold-out seat to port. Really cool feature on this 365 is that you get this aft-facing seat. So while you're fishing, you got an aft-facing seat, and you've got storage underneath. If you want to do some cooking, you can fold out the grill here. This grill's never been used. It's brand new. Now, the thing that really separates this boat from anything else out there is the Pilothouse. And we've got the glass here. You just flip open the latch, and both glasses are on pneumatic struts. So you get the outside coming in, and you can just close it up when you want. We've got the electric sunshade on this boat, covers the entire back deck. So if you are fishing some inclement weather, or you're just hanging on the back deck, you get sun and rain protection. As we step into the boat, as you've seen some of my other videos, I'm 6'6", so there's quite a bit of headroom here. We've got this nice pop-up sunroof, opening windows to port and starboard. And one of the key features on the new Boston Whaler series is that this seat here flips and flops, so you can have 5 people facing forward very comfortably. You can probably pinch in 6, and when you get to your destination, you can flip this back and you can all sit around this wonderful electric high-low table. The boat has an upper galley station, so we've got the single burner stove here and a fridge and a sink. We have another burner downstairs. We have 4 chart plotters on this boat. So 1 wasn't good enough, 2 wasn't good enough, 3 wasn't good enough. We've got a 4th one here on the back deck, so you can fish and you can control both your autopilot if you're running off the mains. You can see all your fishing and your charts. But in addition to that, we also have a forward-facing camera. So if you're fishing and it's a busy, tight area, you can see boats forward from the back of the boat, which is a really cool feature. Let's pop down below. So compared to the predecessor, the 345, the 365 has tons of space down here. So we've got the drop table. This slides together. We've got more beam throughout the area. And here's your lower galley. So you still have another stove, a fridge. We've got a microwave and a seating area. And compared to the 345, the mid-berth cabin is very functional. So you can have a couple people on the boat and really have your own space to sleep and kind of hang out when you're not out fishing or exploring the waters. So the head here on the starboard side has a vacuum flush toilet, but it also has a separate shower. So no longer do we have a wet head where you're showering on top of the toilet. You have a separate shower and a separate toilet and vanity, which is great. You don't get that in the Whaler series until the 405. Thanks very much for joining me on this preview tour of the Boston Whaler 365 down here in Cole Harbour, Vancouver.